Good day and welcome to our news episode. Today we bring you the latest developments in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal has announced via Telegram that the German Skynex air defense systems are now in action to combat Russian aerial threats. The Skynex, developed by Rheinmetall, is designed to protect critical assets and infrastructure from a wide range of aerial threats, including drones, helicopters, and fixed-wing aircraft. The Skynex system is a joint venture between Rheinmetall and Ukraine, with Ukraine considering joint production of some of its components. Rheinmetall confirmed the order of 2 Skynex mobile air defense weapon systems for Ukraine on December 10, 2022. The system includes the Oerlikon Skyranger gun, Oerlikon twin gun, multi-mission radar, C-41 system, electronic warfare system, and surface-to-air missiles. The situation in Ukraine remains tense, with ongoing skirmishes between Ukrainian and Russian forces in the eastern region of the country. The deployment of the Skynex air defense system in Ukraine is a significant development in the country's efforts to protect itself against Russian aggression. The system's advanced capabilities make it an effective tool in the fight against aerial threats, and the joint production agreement between Rheinmetall and Ukraine highlights the strong relationship between the two countries. Sources indicate that the Skynex system's engagement range and altitude capabilities are dependent on the specific components used. The Skynex system is equipped with the Oerlikon Skyranger gun, a 35mm revolver cannon, and the Oerlikon twin gun, a dual-barreled remote-controlled weapon station with 2 35mm gun, which can engage targets at altitudes of up to 9,842 feet and have an effective range of up to 2.5 miles. Furthermore, the Skynex system's surface-to-air missiles have varying ranges and altitude capabilities depending on the missile type used. The Rheinmetall Oerlikon surface-to-air missile, for instance, can engage targets at altitudes of up to 16,404 feet and has an effective range of up to 3.7 miles, while the AIM-9X Sidewinder missile can engage targets at higher altitudes and has an effective range of up to 21.7 miles. The Skynex system's multi-mission radar is capable of detecting, tracking, and classifying aerial targets and has a detection range of approximately 12 to 18 miles, depending on the radar's configuration and the size of the target. With its modular design, the Skynex system can operate autonomously or be integrated into a broader air defense network, allowing for easy upgrades and adaptation to different threat scenarios. These capabilities make the Skynex system an effective tool against aerial threats, and its integration into Ukraine's defense strategy is expected to provide additional protection against Russian aggression. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.